Welcome, my darlings, another Christmas episode, and I'm gonna be using this Dollar Tree sign that I got in my stash. I got it last year. I'm gonna be adding this Merry Christmas wooden cutouts that I got on 50%, and I'm gonna just layer the letters first before I glue them and see how it's gonna look on my sign. Today I got quickest and easiest DIYs for you, and most important, they're very affordable, mostly with Dollar Tree items, and we're gonna create a beautiful Christmas traditional decor farmhouse. Now that I add the letters how I like, I'm gonna glue them. It was so easy for me to add those letters on top of this sign because I was going to those two lines that this sign came with, and I just add the letters in the middle of those two lines. Now that I glued the letters, I'm gonna add a paint. I mean, it's pretty like this with this natural neutral look, but we wanna add that traditional beautiful red color. So I grab my tiny brush and I'm going over with this crimson chalk paint from Waverly. And I think with adding this color, it just brings more rich look to it, and it only cost us not even $2 because those letters were at 50%. I think I paid $1. I got this sign from my stash, so $2.50 for this sign, and we got a beautiful decor for Christmas. I did the same thing around the frames, and on top I just painted all over, and it looks just perfect to me. Let me know. And then for extra embellishment, I just add a little pick on the side and I just glue it, and on top of that I'm gonna add some red berries because nothing without the berries this time, and that's it. I have this wooden rustic farmhouse sign in my stash. I believe I got it from Walmart. I got it long time ago. I got so much crafts in my stash, so I don't even need to go buy. But I think I got it from Walmart this summer. I'm not sure. And it's just perfect. Painted out, rusted out, stain it out. I don't need to do anything to this wooden plank. I'm gonna be adding this Christmas edition of IOD transfers, and nothing without the beautiful Santa bringing the presents. And I was going with my other IOD transfers from last year, see if I can add more embellishment to it, but I think just adding this Santa to this rustic wooden sign, it's gonna look just perfect. So I position it in the middle and I'm gonna transfer it on. For those of you who are watching my channel, you know that I love IOD transfers. It brings such a beautiful home decor and you can create anything you like. So I add it, and now with the scraper, I'm just going over until my Santa is fully transferred on my wooden sign. And my Santa is fully transferred except the bottom part of the hat. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, so I just went back and with the scraper I went on, and now it's fully transferred. So I'm going over with the header sheet that it came with it, make sure it's all nice and smooth. And now I want to do embellishment. I'm going with this rich red burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I want to create a simple 2-loop bow, very simple, and I'm just tying it in the middle with the same yarn that it came with it, and see how it's gonna look first with a bow. And I'm still not sure if I'm gonna add this bow on top of the sign, as much as I like the color and the fabric on it. And I'm thinking, should I add this bow? But I'm still thinking it's too large for this sign, and it's gonna catch the attention to the bow instead of the Santa. You know what I mean? So might as well, we're gonna use this bow for something else. And at the end, I just decided to add some berries to my sign without the bow. And always when you create things like this, you like to experiment and see how it's gonna look with adding different embellishments to it. But like I said, I think this bow was too much, so I just added the berries, 2 picks of these beautiful berries. And on top, I'm gonna just add a 2 simple burlap ribbon with the greeneries and frosties and some berries also, and that's it. Sometimes just adding simple things and simple embellishment is gonna bring a beautiful high-end look to the creations that you make. Now that I add that 2 loop burlap ribbon with the frosted greeneries and the berries, I just cut off the edges, and that's it. Let me know, what do you think about this one? Another amazing farmhouse collab, this time Christmas edition, with my darling creator friends. So much inspiration. Make sure you check each and every one. The links are in my description box, and also the playlist is pinned in my comments, so please show them lots of love. Another quick and easy DIY, this time with these ceramic Dollar Tree tags that I got in my stash long time ago, and now it's a perfect time to use them. I'm gonna be using another IOD transfers, this vintage Farmhouse Santa and this vintage Farmhouse traditional Christmas tree. I'm just gonna transfer them on, and they're gonna be perfect to add those tags to any addition of the Christmas decor that we have. So super simple, very easy. With the scraper, I'm just going over until they're all fully transferred, and after that I'm just gonna seal them with a Mod Podge to make it nice and sturdy, and that's it. What do you think about this one? How cute they are. I just love them. I have this wooden crate box. I purchased it at Joann's over the summer for a few cents, believe it or not. And I love the cutouts of these trees. And what I'm gonna do, I just added a crimson chalk paint to it. And I'm gonna seal it with the clear DIY wax. And I'm gonna decorate it. Not a lot of work, but a beautiful look for farmhouse decor. I just added some frosted peaks inside of it. I added one of those tags that we just made, and that's it. I told you today I'm making DIYs that they're not even taking us 5 minutes for each. I'm gonna be using this Valentine's sign that I got in my stash, and the color of the frames are just perfect. I'm just getting rid of the love letters with this mini knife cutter, and I'm just scraping it off, and they're coming out so smooth and easy. And after that, I'm just gonna clean off the glass with the alcohol, and we're gonna decorate it for our beautiful Christmas. For the inside part, I'm just using this red checkerboard scarf that I got in my stash also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna cut off to fit for the inside part of it, and I'm just gonna glue the edges just like so. Super simple but very beautiful, with adding this checkerboard design, and with this frame it's gonna match just perfect. I didn't need to add any paint for this DIY. Can you believe it? So quick and easy, just adding extra embellishment, and it's just a very high-end look. I'm just going over with these wooden cutouts that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, the very Merry Christmas tree or just Joy to the World, but I think today is just a perfect, beautiful message for everybody, joy to the world. And I'm just gluing it, and to add extra embellishment, I'm just adding 2 mini frosted pigs and adding a berries, and I'm gonna glue the frame on top of it, and that's it for this quick and easy DIY. Another simple, quick and easy DIY. I like this peace sign, and it's just a perfect message for everybody today. Peace in the world. That's all we need, all of us. And I got it 2 years ago. Can you believe it? For 50 cents when it was the clearance Dollar Tree. And I keep it until today, and it's just a perfect time now. I'm gonna add this Christmas tree ornament on top of the tree sign, just to add that 3D dimension to it. And we're gonna zhuzh it up with extra embellishments, and I think it's gonna look just perfect with these checkerboard edges. I think it looks beautiful. I'm gonna be adding some extra berries and pine cones on top of the tree, just like I mentioned, for extra embellishment. And on top, I'm gonna be making an extra bow as well. And sometimes we don't need to do much, and just grabbing a Dollar Tree sign that you don't need to remake it. You can add extra embellishment, and you're gonna bring your sign to a very high-end look, and nobody's gonna know that you got it from Dollar Tree. They're gonna think that you got it from some expensive boutique. I removed the top branches so I can make a extra bow, and I just grab this burlap ribbon, and I just make a simple bow with the twine tied in the middle, just creating a simple bow. This burlap, as much as I like, doesn't have a wire, and I don't like to make bows when there is no wired ribbon. It make it more difficult, but I think it worked this time. Just tie it in the middle with the twine and cut off the edges. Just a simple bow, and I'm gonna glue it on top of that part of the sign. You can always be creative and add some embellishment that it goes with your taste. Everybody have a different taste. Today I wanted to show you that rustic farmhouse traditional look to give you some inspirations for you to create. And on the corner I got all those beautiful ladies that they're part of this amazing collab. Please check them all out because I really love them dearly, and they're super talented, and they're always joyful to work with. And all of us together, we're bringing you so much inspirations for Christmas that you're gonna love each and everyone's video today. So enjoy. Back to my creation. Now that I'm glued the bow on top of my sign, I'm just gonna add the greeneries that this sign came with it, and look how more addition to it brings such a high end. Just adding that 2 loop simple burlap bow and just adding the greeneries that it came with it, it already look so beautiful. So I'm just gonna glue it on top of the bow, and then I'm gonna add some more berries to it. And that's it for this one. Let me know, what do you think about all those creations today? Super quick and easy, very affordable for Christmas decor, and that's all we need these days, all of us. And give me a comments, and if I inspire you today, And my darlings, until next time, I got so many creations to show you more. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I am sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings, and God bless you from me to you, my darlings. Bye-bye.